Now we have declared our fields or attributes. We need to go to the next stage, which is to deal with the accessors of those fields and attributes. Now you can see down here an example of accessors and retrievers or properties. For example, it's actually easy to do it like in a practical. Let's go to C#. We'll take to the class person where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields, and we'll write the first accessor, the first property for the field fName. Your accessors are public, even though your attributes or your fields were private. So now I'm going to start with public, and then we use the same type, string. Be careful now. fName was small letter, starting with small letter f. This time, the corresponding accessor, the corresponding property, will start with a capital letter. Then we open, not square brackets, but we open caliber bracket and we finish. Let's start again slowly. Here is my field or attribute. That field or attribute has a corresponding accessor or property. On the field or attribute, the name of the field was starting with a small letter, but the corresponding accessor must start with a capital letter. Good. Unfortunately, you can see here there is still a red, which means there is an issue. What is the issue? Every field, rather, let's say every accessor or every property must get a set and also a get. Now, when you say a get, your get is still red. What should we come in the get? The get is a return, always. What are we returning? We are returning the value of the field. So I can even copy it if I want and just put it here. I'm returning that value and then I'm putting semicolon. Now, what do we put in the set? The same value that we copied, first name. We are setting it to any value that will be given to us. So all the red is gone. This is how we write an accessor or a property for the given field or attribute. The type string must be the same for both this field and its attributes. Very good. Now, let's try to write the accessor for surname. How do we write it? Did we say it's private or public? An accessor is public. Good. What is the type for that field? The type for the field surname was string. So this one will also be string. Then, small letter or big letter? He was small letter. The next one will be big letter. Good. Then, caliber bracket, open and close. What did we say goes always inside the set? Not square brackets, but caliber bracket. And after the set, we need to get the get. Good. Then, what did we say goes into the get? We said it is the return. What do you return? You return the name of the field. In this case is small name. Semicolon. And then for the set, the same name is equal to value. Very good, semicolon. How many fields are we left with? ID number and then birth date. ID number was a string, private, and then string, and then capital this time, ID number. Then it's going to complain. It's not complaining. Yes, it's complaining. It's red. I open. From there, I put my set. After my set, I put my get. And then after my get, what do we get usually? We get a return. What are we going to return? Small ID number. And then what are we going to set? The same? No, there's a small mistake here. We are returning a small ID number, not a big ID number. Then what are we setting? The small ID number is going to be set to whatever value is given to us. And then the last one, after the ID number, the next accessor is, oh, mistake again. What did we say about accessors? This accessor is public. This accessor is public. This accessor should be public. Accessor should be public. Properties are public, but fields are private. Now, final accessor is public. It was a birth date. The birth date was a date, time now. And then after that, what was the name of the date time? The name of the date time was B date, small letter. So now let's try to put B date, big letter. B date, that's how we wrote it. From there we will open. It's messing up. It was B date, and then we were going to enter from there, caliber bracket, the set, open and close. After the set, we do the get, open and close, and from there, what do we get? We say the return, and then the return will be small b date, and then what do we set? The small b date, and then is equal to, we say semicolon. Very good. Those are your accessor, the get and the set. That's all for now. We'll have a short interrupt.